Hi everyone, it's Marissa Leone, an attorney with Legal AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a new matter in our portal and how to save work to your existing matters. If you go to our homepage, you can find all of your matters on the left-hand side by clicking on the blue arrow to open up the side panel. If you go to Matter Portal, click Select, you'll find a list of matters that you created at the very top under Existing Matters, and you'll also find all of your previous work under the Unmapped Tasks list at the very bottom. We're going to go back to this after I show you how to create a new matter. To create a new matter, select Start New Matter button at the very top. You'll add in the matter title, a description of your matter, some background information, and whether you represent any party in the case. You click Submit, and from there you'll have a new matter that you can find anytime you go to the Matter portal. Now, once you have the matter created, you can always edit it and update the information in the matter, or you can manage your matter, and what that helps you do is link anything that you work on in the platform to that specific matter. Meaning, if you were to do research and drafting, you would click on the research and drafting tool directly from the Manage Matter tab and start your workflow. It'll link back to your matter. If you scroll down, you'll see past tasks for this matter that have been linked. And from there, you can click View to go back to your saved work. Now, let's say you've created a matter and you've started to do some work, and perhaps you want to link that task to a specific matter. You can always scroll down to Unmap Tasks, find your task, and then Map to Matter, and it'll list out all of your new matters. Once you map, you click Select, and you can always verify that the task has been linked by clicking Manage Matter in your matter. Scroll down, and you have your past tasks. If you ever have any questions around how to navigate the Matter portal or any of our other tools, please feel free to reach out at support@calidusai.com. Good luck.